Good morning. Today we're out at Aaron's new build project, getting ready to pour the house slab. Yesterday he poured the patio in the garage, and I'll flip you around and show what we have going on. So we're all set up here, waiting for the concrete to show up. We've got the concrete pump all ready to go. These boom trucks are pretty impressive. They can pump up to 10 yards in about 8 minutes. And obviously they've got a lot of reach, so it makes it pretty easy to pour a slab like this. So I'll show you what we have going on here in a little while. We got the first truck here. They pour the concrete right into this big hopper. And this hopper feeds through the pump and the boom right where we need it to be. We've got the main slab all down. All we got are these 2 columns, concrete cast columns that we're going to fill up, and then we'll be done. So the slab's down over here. This is actually for Aaron's house. Aaron, how you feeling?
Feeling amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah.
You got a pretty cool place here.
Thank you.
House is gonna be
down.
Yep, it went down nicely. This is Aaron's house. He's got a pretty nice setting up here, surrounded by beautiful views. He has a nice big patio off the corner over here. Coming together.